So, the Mahabharati philosophers, they say the Puranas are stories. No, the Bhagavad is Purana. It is full of stories. But what kind of stories? All Vedic instruction. Just like Ajamil. Ajamil began Itihas. The Bhagavad Purana is speaking Itihas in the beginning. It is said. Sukadeva Goswami is giving incidences of Itihas, history, example from the history. So this is actual fact. So in order to convince Parikshit Maharaj how chanting of Hare Krishna mantra is powerful, he is giving a lesson from the history. How Ajamil was delivered simply by chanting Narayana. This is the incident from the history. And it is history, the story begins, Karnakubji. Karnakubji is still there in India. Perhaps you have heard the name of Kanpur. So, that is within the Karnakubji area. Karnakubji Dija, the Brahmin in Karnakubja, historical name is that. It is history. It is not story, mythology, no. The story, it is historical fact. Anything which is described in the Shastra, the Bhagavad is Mahapurana. Don't be misled. These are mythology. No, these are historical facts. And we have to learn the Vedic knowledge by the description selected from the history, so that we can easily understand. This is the purpose. So in this human form of life, we should be very careful what is ordered that you should do like this. It's like if you go to a medical man, so if you are diseased, a medical man, physician will give you a prescription that you take this medicine and you do not take this kind of food, you can take this kind of food. Ahara potra. So, if you want to cure your material disease, then the two things are required, the medicine and the food. Potha, it is called potha. The proper food and proper medicine. The proper medicine is chanting Hare Krishna, and the proper food is Krishna Prasad. Take these two things, you are liberated. Thank you very much.
Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Gurun Sri Rupam Saprajatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Svam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padam Sagana Lalita Sri Vishakhantam Sam Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda सुभाषदी गौरभक्तवृन्दा श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानन्दा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौरभक्तवृन्दा श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानन्दा श्री अद्वैत